Thanks for watching and welcome. We tour Detroit.
Today, we are on 4th Street.
LuxWall factory construction.
LuxWall is an Ann Arbor-based glass insulation producer. The new facility is expected to provide 200 jobs.
This section of 4th Street may be part of the Joe Louis Greenway.
These are the I-75 ramps to the Gordie Howe Bridge.
The Junction Avenue pedestrian bridge will be a greenway connector.
Eventually, 4th Street will be totally rebuilt.
The Ambassador Bridge.
The 4th Street view of downtown Detroit.
Meanwhile, in Corktown, the old Southwest Hospital still stands.
They are pumping toxic water out of the basement before demolition can begin.
And these historic buildings are still waiting for suitors.
Michigan Avenue improvements continue. Subscribe, and ride along for all the daily Detroit updates.